This video explains how you can add time code in your project in Adobe Premiere Pro. So to add the time code, you have to simply use one effect which is called as time code effect. And for that, you have to go to the effects panel. You can find this effects panel over here on the left hand side of this timeline. If you can't find it here, just click on this arrows and then you should be able to find it over there. Once you are here, what you have to do is that search for the time code. So just search for the time, and over here you can see that there is this time code effect that is available, which you can just drag and drop on your clip. Once you do that, this effect controls panel will show that time code properties, and now you can change it. So if I play it over here, you can see that on this video this time code is being displayed. So basically time code is nothing but it shows the time of the clip. That's it. That's how you can use this time code effect in Adobe Premiere Pro. Thank you for watching.